All right, so I started a new part, and the first thing I want to do is click on Extrude, click on the top plane, click on Sketch View, and I'm going to start an extrusion, but I wanted the sketch to be a center rectangle right here, and it has to be 3 by 2. So this is 2, this is 3, and make it more clear. So once you have this, click OK. This is the thickness of this is 0.75, and click OK. First thing I want to do here then is I'm trying to make an object that goes across here diagonally, and to do that I need to create a new imaginary plane so I can use it. So to do that, click on axis here. When you click on axis, it's going to ask you for references. So if you just click one of them, you see how the axis just went up there. But if you click 2, it will be at the intersection of the 2, so that's where I want it. So this is selected, hold Control key, click on the other plane, and you have this here. All right, so now this is your axis. My goal was to make a plane, so click on plane, click on this plane, hold Control key, and make this angle 60. And now we have our new plane that we could use to extrude on. So click on Extrude, click on this plane, and make it parallel. First thing I want to do is I want to make a reference that is here at the bottom. So click here, click OK, and I'm going to make, so it makes a center line here. And I want to make a circle right here on the center line. So click, click, and this has to be 1.5. All right. And make another circle inside it that is 0.75 in diameter. Next, what I want to do is I want to get a line from here down to here. Delete a couple segments, and so it seems like I made a mistake here. This is not good. So the line has to be perpendicular. So now it's perpendicular, but still this little line here that I need to delete. So I just deleted it. Once you have this, click OK. The thickness of this has to be, let me see, 1. So if I remove my mouse, you see how it's like sticking to one side. I want this to be right in the middle. So I'm gonna click on depth, have it go on both sides, and click OK. There you go. I'm getting closer. All right. Next, click on Extrude, click on this plane, make it parallel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a center line here. And I'm going to make, oops, wrong type. So I'm going to make corner rectangle here. All right. So this is 0.2. And all right, so I'm gonna make a rectangle here and mirror it this side. sticking out this way. Reverse it. It's here. Next, go to round. We need to round this, round this, round this. Okay, it seems like something wrong happened here. This did not go through. So what I'm gonna do is, let's click OK here. So what we can do is just create an extrusion and get rid of it. And remove material. So now it looks more like it. Next, I want to do an extrusion. And I'm going to create a center line here. And center line here. Get a circle. If you move it here, you get all these points that might be of interest. Click here. Make that. Let's mirror it. Let's mirror this and mirror this. Click OK. We need to reverse this, and it's going to remove material directly. And hey, you have your model. So now you can start drawing, but I will leave that to you.